flip-flops are melting in the heat. Sunglasses got eyelashes. Ladybugs settled on a cake. And all the makeup moved to the freezer. It's crystal clear that it's summer in the city, and summer pranks are back. It's just necessary to fix your makeup when the weather is so hot. I give my special makeup bag to my friend. No makeup will ever melt in it. Choose small cosmetics for this prank. Close the caps tightly. Put them into silicone molds. Fill them with water and put into a freezer for about 4 hours. Take out the hardened ice and put the makeup into a thermal bag. The blue-eyed girl takes out a frozen lipstick. Is it actually an ice age of makeup? These are beauty products with cooling effects. The Snow Queen Makeup. It's great for a hot day like this. You'll have to wait until the ice melts if you want to use it. We are having a heat wave. I want ice cream so much. And here comes my friend. She's having a special homemade ice cream. Dissolve instant cream soup in water. Pour it into ice cream molds and put it into a freezer. I'm trying the ice cream. The taste is weird. Is it a frozen lunch? Soup-flavored ice cream? I'm not going to eat this dessert. A new kind of sport. Synchronized pranks. Let's try it out with sunglasses. We take each other's sunglasses secretly. My prank will be with eyelashes. Attach self-adhesive fake lashes to the lenses. And Blondie just removes the excess, the lenses. Take the lenses out of the sunglasses carefully. We put the sunglasses back to each other. Turn around on the count of 3. We put on the sunglasses synchronously. The blue-eyed girl has no lenses. And Blondie's eyelashes have grown significantly. It's a tie in this round, 1-1. It's a beach day and my friend has come wearing flip-flops. It's a great occasion to pull off a prank. Moreover, anything can happen to shoes when it's so boiling hot. I am sneakily changing her flip-flops while she's dipping her feet into the seawater. Cut the straps off flip-flops. Take out the fasteners and squeeze out hot glue imitating the straps. When hardened, cover the glue with acrylic paint. It's time to get dressed. What is it? My flip-flops have melted. No wonder the temperature is so high. Even shoes get sunstroke sometimes. And how am I supposed to go home now? Barefoot? Or should I wait until my friend confesses that she is hiding my flip-flops behind her back? The blue-eyed girl is afraid of getting sunburned. Keep calm. I've got a special sunscreen. Pour condensed milk into a clean sunscreen bottle. My friend applies the sunscreen. It's so thick and sticky, looking exactly like condensed milk. Now I look like a sun dessert. Well, friend, watch out. A summer picnic in the park. I take along a nice mood, but forget about water. It's great that my friend has some lemonade, or had some lemonade. Something wrong has definitely happened to this bottle. Cut a lime into thin slices. Add 3 ounces of gelatin to about 50 fluid ounces of hot water. Pour it into my bottle. Put lime slices inside when the jelly gets thicker. What strange lemonade! It doesn't flow. And poor lime slices are trapped inside the bottle. I certainly won't quench my thirst with a drink like this. This works only in case I would like to eat some jelly. My friend takes off her cap and corrects her makeup. That's an extremely reckless decision, because this cap will be used for a prank. I'm letting hair down on my friend's cap while she's putting her hair up. Cut yarn of bright color into identical pieces. Put them into a row and attach double-sided tape across the edge. Fasten the fringe to the inside of the cap. My friend puts her cap on. Is it a new hairdo? Her hair's become fuller and reddish, but she likes it. Change the blue hair into red because you can do anything you want in the summer. It's such a wonderful day, only Skittles can make it better. I offer the package to my friend. She takes candies out, but there is something wrong with them. Cut a Skittles package along the seam. Remove the candies and fill the package with peas. Close the cut with double-sided tape. It's a special issue of Skittles called Seasonal Vegetables, and peas are great for your health and figure, so enjoy vitamins in the summer and eat candies in the winter. The blue-eyed girl's phone has died, but she needs to make a call urgently. That's great that I've got a phone that never dies. Cover an old phone handset with acrylic paints. Cut off the edge of a phone cord and attach a plug of broken earphones. I offer my phone device to my friend. This is a smart handset of the next generation. I plug it into my phone. Why does the blue-eyed girl hear nothing, I wonder? She shouts into the handset loudly so that everyone in the cafe can hear it. At last, she looks at my face. The call is over. I'm telling the latest news about my life to my friend, but she isn't listening. She's dreaming about her summer holidays and doesn't even touch her cocktail. And that's great. I will attract her attention with my little prank. Close one end of a cocktail straw with hot glue. Prepare a few straws. While my friend is far away on a Greek resort in her mind, I take out her straws and put in mine. And put small ladybugs on the table. Knead red sugar paste with starch. Shape semi-spheres. Use black food coloring to turn them into ladybugs. Paint heads, wings, and signature dots on the backs. The ladybugs are so cute! Go right onto the cake. I bring Blondie back to consciousness. She wants to drink her cocktail, but something is stuck in the straws. No result. It looks like someone glued the end. The service is terrible in this cafe. Waiter, my straws are broken. And what is that? Waiter, there are bugs on my cake. A whole family of ladybugs. Well, this is way too much. I will deal with this waiter right now. How dare he spoil my dessert? I want to see the manager. But the blue-eyed girl hurries up to calm her down. The waiter has nothing to do with it. It's just my prank, and the ladybugs are edible. I've got a special present for my friend. She loves new makeup products, and this is why I have prepared new perfume for her. We will need a bottle of perfume. Photoshop a funny label with a perfume name. For example, Bacon No. 5, and attach the label to the bottle. Blondie is happy about the present. I wonder what's inside. She opens it up quickly. Perfume! But what kind of perfume? Bacon No. 5? I'm afraid to ask what kind of scent that is. Fried bacon flavored with salami and ham extract? Nope, I'm not using that. But my friend is fearless. She spritzes the meat perfume on herself. It's surprising, but the scent is nice. Well, thank you for the gift. Are you dreaming about a snack? Then Blondie will arrange strawberries at once. Help yourself. But the strawberries taste salty. Is it a new kind of strawberry? Core a strawberry with a drinking straw. Cut off the stem and put it back into the berry. Fill the strawberry with salt through the hole at the bottom. Close the hole. This strawberry is no good at all. There's as much salt in it as in pickles, and Blondie pretends that she has nothing to do with it. Blondie is terrified of insects. I will show her that they are actually not that scary, like this cute rubber spider, for example. Hot glue a rubber spider to a blank clip. I put the spider on my ear. I think I look great with it. But my friend doesn't think so. She starts screaming into my ear when she sees the spider. Ah! Calm down. It's just a clip. My spider won't hurt you. There is nothing to be scared of. Did you like our summer pranks? Then write in your comments what way you will prank your friends in the summer. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe. Are there snowy streets in your city? It's high time for winter life hacks. Have fun and warm up together with our warm ideas. The window is covered with ice and I can't see through it. And what if my Prince Charming comes and I won't even notice him? I need to defreeze the window right now. Take a spray bottle. Pour in vinegar and water in the ratio of 3:1. Apply the liquid to the window. I may not worry about missing my Prince Charming with this antifreeze mixture. In addition to this, he'll be able to check out my householding skills. There's so much snow outdoors that you would have trouble walking through it. You need to walk directly through snowbanks. I use boot straps so that the snow doesn't get into my boots. Prepare 2 wide rubber bands and 4 suspender clips. Pull the rubber band through the loop of a clip and hot glue it. Fasten it in the same way at the other end. Attach the clips to a pant leg and strap it down to your boots. You can easily conquer the North Pole with these practical boot straps. They would certainly be the envy of polar bears. And snow is no challenge for me anymore. Maybe the snow is not a challenge, but glazed frost definitely is. Use hot glue to make your shoes slip-proof. No, we don't suggest gluing you to the ice. It's way easier. Make patterns with hot glue on the sole of your winter footwear. And don't forget about the heels. It's nice and practical, and the best thing is that your shoes will keep you on your feet. Emergency aids already got your back. First of all, let your friend sit and calm down. But not on cold stairs, but on a special winter mat. Cut off a 12-inch by 14-inch rectangle from a travel roll mat. Measure out the middle of the shorter sides and mark 2 inches beyond the edge on each side. Take a wide rubber band and make cuts according to its width on the marks. Pass the rubber band through the cuts. Put the ends into a plastic clasp. Hot glue one end of the rubber band and leave the other end loose so that you can adjust the length. You can even sit on cold stairs or on snow with this slip-on mat, and you won't feel cold or stiff. And warm your hands with a soft muff. It's exactly what a snowy girl needs. Take a piece of faux fur, fold it in half so that the wrong side is out. Hot glue the outside edge. Turn the fur right side out and attach the sides. Fold the muff in half and hot glue along the edge. Turn it out so that the seam is inside. Attach 2 lobster clasps to chain and fasten the clasps to the muff. I've already forgotten about all of my falls and slides. Because of cold weather, a padlock is totally frozen, and I won't be able to open the gates of my kingdom. But my friend comes to help me. She heats up the key with a lighter. The hot key opens the frozen padlock easily. There are snowbanks outside, and I've got a snood scarf. Fold soft fleece in half so that the wrong side is on top and hot glue it from 2 sides. Turn it right side out and attach the last side. Fold the fleece in half and hot glue again. Turn it out so that the seam is inside. Cut out a cat muzzle and whiskers from black felt. Hot glue to the fleece. I feel like a real Catwoman in this snood, or the Pink Panther, whichever you like better. My friend comes listening to music in her earphones and earmuffs. How does this construction hold up? Easy peasy. These are special earmuffs for earphones. Take a wide headband. Cut out 4 cardboard circles. Take soft fabric, we have velour, and trace the cardboard circle on it. Make 1/2 inch allowance. Cut out 4 identical details. Make a special hole for the earphones on 2 cardboard circles. Hot glue a layer of hollow or polyester fiber filling and cover it with the fabric. Repeat for the rest of the details. Decorate the headband with the fabric. Join 2 circles at the end of the headband. Attach the full circle to the outside and the one with a cutout to the inside. Repeat for the other end. Decorate the junction with a bead string. Put the earphones into your ears and put the warm velour earmuffs on top. A little earbud gets into the hole and you feel warm and comfy in this accessory. Your ears won't freeze listening to your favorite music in these earmuffs. Everything's been figured out. I also have a winter variant of earphones. They are called a snow leopard or a fluffy chicken. Take headphones for a smartphone and attach a strip of faux fur. Hot glue the fur to the headband and the head cups. If there isn't enough fur, add one more strip. These headphones are like fluffy pets. You would want to cuddle them more and more. Even music becomes warmer in them. It's frost and sunshine, wondrous morning, except for the day when you need to have proper sleep. Make a lovely sleep mask so that sun rays don't spoil your morning sleep. Cut out 2 mitten silhouettes from felt of different colors. Cut out a pattern from white felt and decorate the mittens. Hot glue the details overlapping each other like this. Hot glue or sew down a rubber band to the wrong side. The cute mittens will protect your sleep, and you will wake up all beautiful and refreshed. It's freezing cold! It's high time to sit in front of a fireplace and get your feet warm. But even the fireplace doesn't help when it's super cold. Should I warm up my feet just above the fire? Keep calm. You don't need any tough methods. You should do better and wear warm socks made from a sweater. Take an old pullover you don't wear anymore and cut off the sleeves. Cut out 2 ovals according to the length of your feet from the middle part of the sweater. These will be soles. Sew the soles to the sleeves using thick knitting yarn. You will feel warm and comfy in these homemade socks. You may even go to a winter ball wearing your lovely DIYs. All of my clothes are covered in white fluff after taking off my down jacket. I seem to have hugged a Yeti, but my caring friend knows how to clean my sweater. Take adhesive tape and attach it to the fabric. The fluff sticks to the tape and there is no traces of the Yeti hug. And if you want to get pilling off your sweater, use a razor. Shave the affected areas gently until all the pills are gone. They won't bother you anymore, and your outfit will look flawless. Are you going to put on your sad black hat again? Is it a winter funeral coming? No way, my friend! You need to be bright this season. Cut out half an oval from the same sweater we used for making socks. Turn it inside out and hot glue along the edge. Turn the hat right side out again. Hot glue or sew down a bright pom-pom to the top. Fold the edges outwards. My friend puts on a bright hat. Here you go! It's quite a different story. The hat matches your blue eyes and the pom-pom is so funny. And where are my mittens? Don't you cry, I've got a whole set. Exploit the pullover to the fullest. Cut out a mitten silhouette to fit your hand. Hot glue the 2 details. Turn it right side out. Trim the cut edge with knitting yarn and decorate the mittens with pom-poms. The mittens match your new hat. It's Winter Friendship Collection 2018. I've got no idea of how to fix a stuck zipper. My fingers are hurt, but the slider is still there. My friend comes to rescue me, as always. Rub the stuck zipper with pencil lead. One more option is to rub it with a candle. Choose whatever you've got on hand, a candle or a pencil, and zip your boots without any problem. Did you like our winter life hack compilation? Write in your comments which hack you will definitely try this winter. Will you make a warm muff? Or will you wear a Pink Panther snood scarf? Or will you prefer to make slip-proof boots? And